Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Dano Crypto. My name is Daniel, aka Dano Crypto. In the crypto verse, we are going to give you guys some updates on the markets right now, and we're going to show you guys the trades that we're currently in. We're going to show you why Bitcoin actually went down yesterday and what altcoins you guys should be looking at and keeping your eye on for the next couple of weeks, because we got a lot of bullish news coming out. We have, President-elect Donald Trump is proposing no crypto gains tax for cryptocurrency specifically that are US based. Now, this is huge. Now, this could go down the line of some different coins that we could look into, but we're going to keep it simple. We are going to, and I mean that puts XRP in the cards, so people are starting to get a little bit more bullish on XRP. I think the XRP army is going to start coming in hot with their takes on the market and what they think the future of XRP is. But first, let's get into the Bitcoin price, and we're going to show you guys what's happening in the short term here. We're going to show you what happened here at the top. Here we had a bearish divergence, which formed right here on Bitcoin. You can see the bearish divergence. We had a top here, and then we pumped up and created a new all-time high at 93,400. And then from there, we had a divergence. You can see here, possibly, with the Fibonacci retracement, we got above the 786, and then we tried to test back up to the 786, and then we got rejected below down to the 0.5 Fibonacci, which is the 86,000 level. So that 86,000 level was perfect Fibonacci level to bounce, which was right on this parabolic trend line. And you can see that now we tried to test. We're testing back testing, and we're getting a little bit more momentum. We're going to see how the market opens up. It's 9:55 Eastern Standard Time, so the market is open. We're probably, I think, going to see some inflows today instead of the selling pressure, because if you see, the ETFs is a nice indicator. It's our new indicator now for Bitcoin. When we have these massive inflows into the Bitcoin ETF through BlackRock and Fidelity, Bitwise, ARK, Valkyrie, VanEck, but the heavy hitter is BlackRock's IBIT. The record-breaking inflows that we had in November and October is just staggering. I mean, in the billions is inflowing in a single day. In a single day on November 7th, they inflowed $1.2 billion of volume of inflows for the ETF. This is insane. And so only just yesterday, we had some selling pressure. Just a little bit, but we've been buying like crazy. So if you're wondering why Bitcoin saw a little bit of that retracement, well, it was getting a little heated. It was getting a little overbought. If you're looking at the RSI, we started to get a little bit overbought. We started to create those bearish divergences. But now I think we're going to start seeing a bullish divergence start to play out because we got that swoop there. And then if we get another bounce here, then you can see on the RSI how we could create a bullish divergence here. Now, we're going to try and open this up real quick. Let's do that. All right, so all we need is another little swoop like this, and then we can get a nice bullish divergence. All right, so that's the breakdown for Bitcoin. If you guys are wondering, I think we're just going to keep building up that momentum, going along the parabolic curve, and we will be due for another brand new all-time high and possibly even a weekend pump, which I know a lot of people get scared of the weekend pumps, but I think people, retail, do not want to be sidelined. I think this time they are feeling the pressure. They're feeling that, man, I could have got in and bought crypto before the election, but I was too scared to. I was too sidelined. And you can kind of see here, we're actually forming an inverse head and shoulders here on the hour, and that could give you a bit of a nice indication of us getting pushed back up to that $95,000 level, which we're looking at here if we want to do a nice little bounce reversal for Bitcoin, breaking a new all-time high at 95,700. So look out for that, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 89,200, and this is where Bitcoin is at right now. All right, so now let's check the trades. Let's check the trades. We were in the XRP trade, We got in the XRP trade yesterday, and we were holding it. We said, look, if we wake up and we're in profit, we're going to take it. So we took the profit. We've been aggressively scalping these profits on BITFLEX. And make sure you guys are using the links in the description down below, because we are running a really awesome giveaway for BITFLEX. And it's a chance to win a Treasure Safe 3, and it's a good opportunity for you guys to be able to get a cold storage wallet, but then also get some cool rewards and bonuses for signing up with BITFLEX. And you guys can get your flex points all saved up and all that. So make sure you guys are doing that. And then we want to show you guys the current trades that we are in. You know, we are sitting we are in the negative on our WIF trade. You know, we kind of degen and went back in on this trade when we were thinking that we were going to start to pump back up into the $5 range. We're looking at that $5 for WIF, so we actually have a take profit set. So hopefully when that market starts to reverse, we will make sure we can scalp profits off of that. But the ones that we've been really scalping profits on heavily is Pepe. We were able to make basically over $2,500 on Pepe recently. We actually, in the past 3 days, were able to make $5,000 in the past 3-4 days of trading. It's really good. So we've been basically making an average of $1,000 per day. Yesterday we made $500. This morning, you know, basically in the past hour or two, we've already made $500. So we are just crushing it right now in the trades, and we're being very aggressive. You know, we're not leaving money on the table. We're not leaving money on the table, and we are just going into this bull run, not making the same mistakes as we did in 2022, 2023, and 2021. All those years were just the years to be able to learn from your mistakes. Write down the stuff that you did that did not perform well. Make sure you're taking notes. Make sure you're keeping track of these things that you do, because the moment that the bull run actually comes in and starts to give us these green candles on the daily of 150%, I mean, on the daily, what are you going to do? Are you just going to stare at it? Are you going to think you're a genius? What are you going to do? You have to pay yourself. You have to take profits. And so what's your risk management? What's your strategy? What is your plan? Do you have one? If you don't, you better freaking get one, because guess what? The market will plan it for you, and they're going to take your profits. So I suggest you get on some type of strategic plan and get focused, get locked in. This is the time. This time. Don't F it up. I keep saying this. Don't F it up. This is the time to not play around. You have to be focused. You have to have a plan. And this is the moment that is going to determine the next 4 years of your life. So are you going to make a choice? It's time to make the choice now. But if you guys want to follow my channel, I do these live updates every single day. We post content, and we also go live every single day, Monday through Friday, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do 2 streams a day. We have a vibrant, growing community, awesome people to interact with, and also really smart. You know, my people that watch my channel, they're smart. They're just as smart as I am when it comes to crypto. So I get you know, tips and little tricks from the dojo community. So if you guys want to be a part of this and join the Discord, make sure you guys are in the Discord. We'll show the link in here. We're super active in here. We're trying to get a little bit more active, but we need you. We need you guys in here to all be talking amongst yourselves, getting to know each other. And this is how we're going to build one of the best crypto communities in the business. So, all right, guys, I'll see you later today on our live stream. It's going to be right here. So make sure when you watch this video, you go over to the live stream link, you hit the like button, and you leave some comments. You wait, you bring some friends in there, and then we're going to have a nice little party here at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys there. Peace out.